Manufacturing the modern camera requires incredible precision, combining human skill with advanced robotics in a sterile environment.
Our integrated facility utilizes the latest in automation and quality control to produce the next generation of memory modules. Utilizing sophisticated electronics assembly, robotic systems, and precision soldering, memory chips are produced with exceptional reliability. Implementing these control systems significantly improves our yield efficiency, maximizing cost-effectiveness across the board. We need to ensure the TVS diodes meet the Level 4 ESD immunity standard.
Sourcing confirms the SP3031 series is...
Reviewing the design specifications for the power delivery module. We must prioritize reliability metrics.
This hotspot is critical. We must adjust the manufacturing parameters to improve the yield optimization.
Agreed. I'm running a new simulation.
See how the crosstalk exceeds the limit here. That impacts our reliability targets.
Adjusting the equalization parameters now to compensate for the manufacturing variance.
We implement traceability management, documenting design specifications, manufacturing parameters, and performance targets globally.
We need to update the contamination control parameters for the intake valves.
I agree. The current design specification won't meet.
Thermal regulation is holding steady within spec limits. Validation complete. Agreed.
Manufacturing readiness achieved.
Implementing electromagnetic compatibility standards with comprehensive attention to specifications, tolerances, and stringent standards throughout production. Reviewing the placement sequence for the capacitors. The specs require a tighter tolerance here.
Confirmed. Updating the program now to meet the revised standards.
Check the calibration against Spec 4B.
Right.
Tolerances are tight today.
Verified on the tablet, we are within the required nanometer range.
We ensure complete manufacturing readiness by systematically implementing electrostatic discharge protection and meticulous temperature control.
Look at the thermal uniformity here. We've optimized the reflow sequence.
Yield projection is now at 99.7%.
The yield data on the new line looks promising.
Defect detection rates are holding steady at 99.8%.
Consistent quality output.
The schematic update for the through-hole alignment is showing green.
Good. The pick-and-place metrics are stable.
The thermal profile looks optimized on Zone 3.
Confirmed. We are maintaining exceptional precision.
The yield stabilized at 99.8% after the last calibration.
Good. The probe alignment seems consistent now.
The automated system finished the X-ray analysis on the current wafer batch.
Precision is within spec. We can move it to the environmental stress chamber. Thermal profiling complete. Validation sequence initiated. Boundary scan results confirmed. All parameters exceed specifications. This primary manufacturing sequence showcases our commitment to quality, utilizing advanced environmental stress chambers.
Yield rates stabilized after the last calibration.
Good. Monitor the thermal profile on the next run.
The automated system is maintaining exceptional precision on the Z-axis.
Quality consistency is verified.
We need to adjust the alignment tolerance on the probe contact points here.
Copy that. Recalibrating now for the next run.
The qualification data streams are showing 99% consistency.
That meets the stringent performance specs.
Advanced Systems Integration Phase meticulously implementing manufacturing execution systems, showcasing sophisticated advanced semiconductor fabrication. Advanced Systems Integration Phase meticulously implementing statistical process control software, revealing sophisticated cleanroom manufacturing protocols.
Quality metrics on line 3 are holding steady at 99.9%.
Good. Push the update to the predictive maintenance module. Real-time monitoring confirms optimal production efficiency. The pressure differential is stable across all cleanroom phases.
The electrostatic discharge network is fully operational.
We're seeing real-time data collection confirming superior manufacturing standards.
Implementing sophisticated thermal management solutions with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities, automated data collection, and predictive analytics features.
Advanced Systems Integration Phase, implementing quality tracking databases and sophisticated signal integrity validation testing.
Systems integration is complete. Calibration checks are green across the board.
The electromagnetic compatibility standards are met.
Advanced Systems Integration Phase meticulously implementing production scheduling optimization tools, characterizing sophisticated reliability qualification programs. Final metrics confirm optimal yield efficiency.
All protocols met. Product release authorized.
All protocols verified. Endurance testing complete.
Excellent. We can authorize the product release.
Sustainable practices confirmed. Our comprehensive testing procedures utilize certified instrumentation and validated methodologies.
The RF emissions measurement looks stable now.
Yes, the validated methodology confirms consistent quality. We can authorize the release. All parameters are within spec.
Documentation is complete and verified.
Excellent. The ESD compliance requirements are met for release. The accelerated life test data confirms the yield optimization is consistent. All protocols are met.
we can authorize the release.
The rigorous testing confirms the reliability metrics.
The defect detection system performed flawlessly.
The environmental contamination controls are holding steady during the acoustic measurement.
Validated methodologies confirm the results.
The thermal dissipation is stable within the established protocols.
The power consumption metrics are verified.
I'm finalizing. The oscilloscope analysis confirms the signal integrity meets all protocols.
Excellent. I'll finalize the documentation for product release.
The reliability qualification data is confirmed. We meet global regulatory requirements.
I agree.
Documentation is finalized for release.
All protocols are verified. The performance metrics are within spec.
Recommendation for release is approved. Implementing predictive analytics failure forecasting utilizing advanced semiconductor fabrication with cross-functional teams and advanced analytics platforms. Initiating the Q3 Continuous Quality Improvement Protocol.
The integrated management system shows optimized yield efficiency.
The competency certification program has clearly improved these metrics.
Yes, operator efficiency is at peak.
The real-time SPC data confirms the Kaizen initiative is working. Look at the yield metrics.
Yes, operational strengths. As you can see on the advanced analytics dashboard, our cost reduction initiatives are exceeding targets.
The continuous quality improvement is evident here. So the new procedures are maximizing our yield. Exactly, ensuring product reliability.
These analytics confirm the optimization strategy. Inventory turnover is accelerating. This visualization clearly tracks supplier performance against our targets for operational efficiency.
By
Customer feedback shows marked improvement in quality metrics.
and the advanced analytics confirm a significant rise.
The signal integrity validation confirms the root cause here. And the advanced analytics show we've maximized efficiency in the manufacturing phase.
The Gantt charts show our obsolescence management plan. We must accelerate Phase 3 to meet targets.
Look at the real-time data on the reliability qualification program. Yield rates are up.
The integrated management system confirms the improvements.
The analytics platform successfully optimized the maintenance schedule. We've maximized our operational efficiency projections. This innovation laboratory is actively developing next-generation collaborative robot assembly, combining fundamental research with practical manufacturing applications.
The 5G integration schematics look solid.
Yield efficiency projections are exceeding expectations.
Check the synthesis metrics on the quantum dot samples. The luminescence efficiency seems higher in this batch.
I agree. The thermal stability has also improved significantly.
This component exceeds the performance parameters.
The graphene synthesis looks stable across all metrics.
The reliability metrics are holding steady across batch 7.
Then we are cleared to scale up the flexible circuit production.
Adjust the layer density on the schematic.
Initiating the build sequence now, first article in 10 minutes.
Compliance check is green.
This component fits the new assembly protocol.
The AR visualization confirms the alignment. We can proceed with the test run.
This simulation clearly demonstrates the operational excellence we projected. The data confirms a significant improvement in quality control metrics. Sensors. By integrating the sustainability reporting data directly into the enterprise platform, we can optimize our electronics production.
By leveraging these sophisticated decision frameworks, we optimize our market analytics, ensuring regulatory compliance.
Strategic business operations, systematically managing workforce talent development initiatives, effectively utilizing enterprise and
Strategic business operations, systematically managing global supply chain optimization strategies, effectively utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms. This integrated production ecosystem forms the heart of a global electronics supply chain, serving billions worldwide. This advanced manufacturing facility is the heart of a global production ecosystem, serving billions of consumers worldwide.
Strategically positioned within the global supply chain, this integrated ecosystem serves billions of consumers worldwide.